Huh. Well, hey there. Thanks for stopping by. It's James. So I've got this new base I want to swap in. Made out of some old shelves, some old bed slats from like an IKEA bed or something. I don't remember. Some scrap somebody's getting rid of. And I have a feeder here I'm going to get out, and a blank frame and that base. So let's try not to get eaten. Hence the new full suit. The hives are pesky this time of year. I don't mind taking a few stings, but a dozen ain't any fun. But I found this is actually a little too thin. You know, it's got this stuff. They can get through any of this, but anyway, let's start with this. It's going to be out of frame, but I'm going to put the hive on here, swap that new base in, and boom. So, put that over there just in case. And then, of course, oh, they didn't take all that down yet. It's okay. Kind of alters what I was going to do today. I think we'll leave it on there. We'll take that off next week. Just swap out this blank frame over here. Consuming that patty too much. Pull those bees. Go with a little smoke. Need a little smoke. Alright. I'm just going to slide this. Like it. So they're just starting to work on that frame. Very nice. But I'm going to hook them up. With this frame, which has both syrup, natural syrup, and the same syrup I'm trying to get them to take down. Just going to put that right there. Close this back up. Everything's cool. Slide this back over. Oh, put my beetle trap back in position. Right there. About what I'm doing right here. I'm moving this other beetle trap, hopefully not destroying it. All right. I wish I would have brought my little 3D printed entrance thingies I'm working on. Oh well. They're out here all by themselves. So there's that. Still gonna swap this base. They're not gonna like it. Allow me to weigh this too. Oh good. That's about a good 60 pounds, not 80. Do that. We got better than I thought. Look at that. No. Oh, it's too... I forgot about those being really narrow. Nice calm bees in the wintertime when you take their nest completely apart. Almost like that. There you go, ladies. Close enough. Now I forgot. I made these a little narrow. So I want to shave this off a little. Yeah. Just use a hard tool. Concrete blocks. That really makes them happy. So when you're out in the field away from your shop, there you go. Oh, that makes them happy. All right, fine. So, next time they see me, that might be a big problem, eh? Yeah. They're gonna find stick it right there. There's that old base. And this is why I have the new suit. Oh my goodness. Swing just like a frisbee. There you go. Yeah, buddy. So, that's it. Calm down a little bit. And that's it, man. Crazy! But at least that base won't collapse in the winter. The whole thing fell over on me, which was a concern. So we're gonna walk away, and y'all have a great day. Buzzers. New box I purchased several years ago. Can't really stop recording because the bees are on me. Now, it's not unusual the way the bees are behaving this time of year. Hell, I did just take their whole hive apart in the 65, 70 degree weather. So, I'm gonna stand over here for a minute. And just see how far they go. Well, I know they'll go all the way, actually. So, I'll try walking around the vehicle. Not phased by the shade much. Notice at home, the house is dark. You know, bees don't like a flight night. They'll drop to the floor. And as soon as I take a glove off, it'll sting my hand. You know it. Looking for something to sting. I could start squishing. Oh, there's one stinger. It might have been from yesterday though. So somebody needs to make gloves that transmit your the ground to your cell phone. These cell phone friendly beekeeping gloves. Another idea. Y'all are welcome. Now do I jump in the truck?